Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a common question for Honor of Kings players: how to change your in-game name. Whether you're looking for a fresh start, want to match your team's theme, or just fancy a new identity, I'll show you exactly how to change your name quickly and easily. Let's start with the simplest method right within the game. This process is straightforward but does require a special item. First, open Honor of Kings and log into your account. From the main lobby screen, look for your profile picture in the top left corner and tap on it to open your profile page. Now, look for the edit icon next to your current name. It usually looks like a small pencil or edit symbol. Tap on this, and you'll be prompted to enter your new desired name. Here's the important part: changing your name requires a rename card. If you don't have one already, you can purchase it from the in-game store using coins or diamonds. The card typically costs around 90 diamonds or 9,000 coins. Once you have your rename card, enter your new name carefully. Keep in mind that names must follow the game's guidelines. They're usually limited to 6 to 12 characters, and you'll need to avoid inappropriate or already taken names. After entering your new name, confirm the change. The game will automatically use one of your rename cards, and your new name will be active immediately. Here's a pro tip: you can get free rename cards through various in-game events and activities. Keep an eye on seasonal events, login rewards, and special promotions where these cards are often given as prizes. Remember that you can only change your name once every 3 days, so choose carefully. Also, your friends will see your new name immediately, so you might want to give them a heads up if you're changing it significantly. If you encounter any issues, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your game is updated to the latest version. Sometimes maintenance or server issues can temporarily prevent name changes. I know personalizing your gaming identity is important, and now you can change your Honor of Kings name whenever you want. Whether you're rebranding for a new season or just want something that better represents you, the process is quick and simple. If this guide helped you change your in-game name, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more mobile gaming tutorials. Let me know in the comments what creative name you chose. Thanks for watching.